Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am DRGOAT. Today we're going to be putting some new Subaru badges on the hatchback. So, to let you guys know a little bit about me, I always think things are going to be more complicated than they are. So I went ahead and actually ended up pulling the whole hatch apart here. Took off all these little plastic pieces, unbolted this whole black piece here, this whole trim piece. Unbolted that all because I thought there was going to be some bolts behind the badges, because I couldn't find anything on it, honestly. And come to find out, it is like what I believe people were saying about the front bumpers. I think I've seen quite a few that they're all just 3M tape. So I went ahead and heated this up. I've got it almost popped all the way off now, but yeah, it literally is just taped on there. So I've got this little, I don't know what they call it, little mixing. We use these at work here to mix up like Bondo or whatever, and yeah. But I use this to actually slide it up underneath, slid it up underneath the emblem there to get it started to break free. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that the rest of the way off. Gonna go get some cleaner, clean it off real well. Then we'll put the new badge on there. And if you guys haven't seen the video, I've got a brand new front bumper on here. It's never had a badge on the front, so unfortunately I can't show you guys me taking that badge off, but there are multiple videos out there on YouTube of people removing the front emblems, but that's essentially the same thing as this bag. Just use a heat gun, heat it up, find something that you can slip under the emblem, and you can literally just work it off. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that back one off, and then we'll clean that one, install that one, and then come up and do the same up front. shots in the daylight for you guys so you can really see what she looks like, but hopefully this video helps you guys out. Like I said, hatch guys, those back emblems are the same as the sedan guys that are just taped on there. So heat it up with a heat gun just like you would with the front one, and then people use either like fishing line, or I used that little scraper tool and was able to wedge it up in there and peel it out. So like I said, I hope this helps you guys. If it does, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Would you have won with this badge or not? And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.